No one ever.
We have spent the last half
Hey,
hour
guys.
Hollywood rather than try to learn anything about her.
Just do falafel commercials.
I am just trying to be real, Patrick, and I think your audience deserves that.
Okay, let's be real.
Okay.
You didn't do the research, which is the first priority for any interviewer.
What's
busy,
up,
and you didn't share your notes.
Busy. Doing what?
Today
Huh?
we're just gonna be
Doing
doing
what, Savannah?
I was
basic
having an
inner.
important puberty conversation with my daughter. Okay, yeah, I'm a single mom, self-employed.
If you
What did you do
want
last
to
night,
say
Patrick?
hi to our interviewer, the person we will be interviewing, they are me.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Quick commercial break.
In a
In the
bit.
meantime, please check out Savannah's wellness blog, Finding the Me, between the beauty.
I'll see you in a
And
few
the
seconds.
We'll be right back.
Give me 1 sec.
Nice.
So you two didn't compare notes. You didn't practice. I blame you for not coaching her better.
Alicia,
You're not taking this seriously.
Hey guys, I'm
this
here.
experiment isn't working. Let's just go back to the old format.
There is no
So
going back, Patrick.
I'm
We're not
here.
number one
What's
anymore.
up?
To still be on the radio in this day and age with so much competition,
Hi guys.
you need broad appeal to justify the airwaves. She is your only hope, and you're sabotaging it.
I don't know.
And you know
What
what?
you guys about myself.
I expected better from you. I thought you'd never give up.
God. So
We're
first
gonna air
thing is
reruns this week, and then you two just
really good
figure
at
this
this.
out.
I can just play real quick to prove that.
Thanks for joining us, everybody. As soon as Ralph gets here, we'll begin.
He's always late.
Right.
We could be here all day.
You're right. This usually does the trick. Thanks for joining us, Ralph. Now, first up is the O'Malley house. She hasn't seen a roach in her home in years. No, it's nothing personal, Ralph. At Terminix, we work with pests, so you don't have to.
I'm back.
Snowpiercer, we circled the globe
So-
for slice of life.
These things I use
The survivors.
to get people to sleep. Don't question it. Let's go to a. I'm in private world. I'm gonna go to a police lobby to show you guys what I'm talking about.
Long may she roll.
May I please have everyone's attention?
We're going to sleep.
Welcome to Spider-Man.
Is my phone not recording anymore?
Today it is nice to have you.
Okay, guys, do you still hear me? Am I still screen recording? I'm still screen recording, not actually recording. That's weird. So guys, we're at sleep.
It's free.
That's amazing.
I do sound a lot like question.
Football fans are competitive, especially when it comes to tailgating.
I got
We've got new team, new super fans here in the middle of City Park in New Orleans. Get excited.
We're gonna go to Trace right now.
Man anonymous pledge, I guess.
So if you ever want to go play
But I can change,
Sleep
If I
on
have
free
to.
play,
I guess.
let me show you what you can do. I like coming to sleep maps just to refill mine.
I listened to the show today.
So these, I know you can throw them,
I thought the
but they
point
don't
of the show
actually
was
do
about the
any
blow.
damage.
I'm getting there.
Or what if he does more harm than good for your brand? You could quit. You know, I know you take pride in your work ethic.
No, it's not that. I signed a contract.
Oh.
Look,
I'm trying to throw it up myself, it's not working. So I advise that you guys tell it guys. Because of this. Because of this. Fall straight through. right over here.
So I see you know how to pick a spot. You ready to go? You can start working on the show.
Sure, but as you can see, you have to work around my schedule now.
No, you heard Alicia. The deadline's next
We
week.
always spend Saturdays at the park, and I
Nope,
have.
that's that.
We don't have time for park play.
There's always time.
Just change his avatar real quick.
Just have to make time.
Yeah, that's cute on a t-shirt. But
He changed his avatar
You
to
promised, Patrick.
use the drone.
This is why I became a wellness entrepreneur, self-care and family first.
He changed his avatar to this because you guys
One
know.
leg.
yeah, why not?
He said,
You do this every Saturday?
whoa, whoa.
What else do you guys do?
Museums, meditation, creative day, exploration days, like walking around a new neighborhood or trying a new restaurant. There isn't always time, but it is a matter of prioritizing. I decided that this was important to me. What's important to you?
Work.
Yeah, but work for what end?
Just what I've always done.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
That's what I said. You know for sure if you use one of these, you track what you're doing, your goals, and then you can look back over a long period and see your state of mind, like where you spend your time, what's important to you.
Your mom subject you to this torture?
Yeah,
Oh well.
but I like it.
So, we're gonna do some work?
Yes. You will record
Got it.
Record what?
vlog episodes. We have 4 to shoot this week thanks to you.
What?
Come on, it'll be fun. Ugh, boring.
Hey! Okay. Wow. Wow, you two really laid on thick with this peer pressure. Hmm? Okay, what are we shooting first?
Hi. Yeah. Should be in the background. Yeah.
There's oat, there's almond, there's cashew, there's excuse me, thank you. Finally got you that jacket.
Every month, Mom makes me pick a job to learn about. This month's architect.
Do you have a favorite building?
Yeah, guys, it was me the whole
You
time.
looked at different building styles.
You probably already knew that.
Okay, well,
we're
let me show you.
guys.
Over here, see, this church is built in the Gothic style. As you can tell, the architect was inspired by that when they built these big arches. I love this style.
I'm
It's
gonna
just
go filming a movie.
all different kinds of buildings around. It's easy
We're
to
gonna
find.
do some flipping around.
And over there, that's called Art Deco.
Peace.